Hi, I'm Karen Roth, Holistic Nutritionist, and today we're going to make a shrimp ceviche that is easy and healthy, and it'll be serving up a heart-healthy dose of omega-3s. You'll need the following ingredients: a half a pound of cooked shrimp from the freezer section, thawed and cut into bite-sized pieces, a quarter cup of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a quarter cup of red onion finely diced, half of a jalapeno seeded and finely diced. Now if you do like spicy, you can add the whole jalapeno at this point. Half a cup of diced Roma tomatoes, half a cup of seedless cucumber finely diced, half a cup of avocado finely diced, and a quarter cup of cilantro finely diced, and 1 teaspoon of Carlson's the very finest fish oil, lemon flavor, and salt to taste. In a large mixing bowl, mix together the shrimp, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and jalapeno with the lemon and lime juice and the very finest fish oil, lemon flavor. Let this marinate in the refrigerator for approximately 10 minutes. And if you're serving immediately, add the avocado and cilantro at this point. But if you're going to be serving it later, wait to add those two things right before serving. And simply serve with tortilla chips. Enjoy!